Good morning students. Today I am here to explain English literature of class 5th. Lesson 5 Princess Pooh. Come to page number 35, first paragraph. My big sister is 10 years old. Her name is Penelope Piper, but everyone calls her Penny. Here the narrator of the story is Patty Piper. Patty Piper tells the story and her big sister is 10 years old. Her name is Penelope Piper, but everyone calls her Penny. The narrator says, I am Petty Piper and I call my big sister Princess Pooh. Let's see why she called her elder sister Princess Pooh. I am Petty Piper, I call her Princess Pooh. It's the perfect name for her. All day she just sits on her throne with wheels and tells everybody what to do. It's the perfect name for the Penelope Piper because she just sits on her throne. Throne is a ceremonial chair for sovereign or a king or similar figure and tells everybody what to do. And Penelope Piper sitting all day on her wheelchair as she's sitting on the throne and giving orders. Means sitting on a wheelchair. Wheelchair is a throne for her. Now turn your page 36. When we go shopping at the mall, Princess Pooh rides on her throne while Dad wheels her around. Her When her elder sister Princess Pooh rides on her wheelchair to the mall, it feels like she is sitting on the throne and her father wheels her around and Patty Piper not feel good at all. Mom carries the princess crutches and I Patty Piper carries packages. Sometimes there are so many that I look like a box with legs. Here Patty Pepper says my mom carries the princess crutches, means walking stick or a type of stick that you put under your arm to help you walk when you have hurt your leg or foot. Because why she carries all the crutches? Because Princess Pooh is a handicapped child. She is not able to walk. Now Patty Piper says I carry packages and there are so many, by this only my legs are shown, only not the whole body. This is the only reason that Patty is jealous from the sister Penelope Piper by looking everyone giving extra care to her sister. Who? To the princess? Everyone loves the princess, grandma and grandpa, and all the aunts and the uncles and cousins say how sweet and wonderful she is. Everyone loves Princess Pooh, the grandma, the grandfather or grandpa, uncles and cousins means relatives. By listening this, Patty again feel jealous that not no one loves her. Now, my school is so far from my house that I have to ride for hours on a school bus. But get there, Princess Pooh goes to her school right across the street. She can wheel herself there is one second, means she reached school very fast. If it rains, Dad carries or take her to school. I, Petty Pepper, wear a horrible raincoat and stand in mud puddles waiting for the bus. Petty Pepper does not like to wearing raincoat. Saturday it core. Core means a routine work, especially household work, daily work. daily routine work. Mom mows the lawn, means cut the grass. Dad washes clothes and clean the garage. Then he brings clean clothes to the princess and she folds them into piles on the table. I, Petty Pepper, clean the bathroom. Now again, Petty Pepper don't like to wash the bathroom, and she saw that Princess Pooh doing nothing. She's sitting on the on her wheelchair, and she has to do all the work. It is summer now. All my friends have gone to camp. Everyone except me. Mom says no money to send me to camp because the princess got new braces for her. Braces means support for the weaker limbs of the body, just like a belt, supporter. Princess Pooh doesn't need them anyway because all she does is sit. Here Patty said Prince Pooh doesn't want braces because she have to sit all day. After dinner I go outside. The princess is in the hammock reading a book. Hammock means a bed made of strong cloth or rope which is hung up between two trees or poles. After a while, after a while, I say, let's play with puppets now. Who said Petty? The princess doesn't answer. I look over at the hammock. There she is, sleep. Who go to sleep? Princess Pooh. Behind the tree is the throne. Seeing it empty gives me the best idea anyone in the whole world has ever had. Today, I, Petty Piper, will be the princess. So Petty Piper thought an idea that today she going to be the Princess Pooh. I sat on the throne. I sit on the throne. It is covered with cushions and I feel like a cloud. Here Patty is start imagining that she is covered with cloud. I will rest on my golden throne for the whole evening. I say, I say means Petty say, I imagine all the people in my kingdom looking at me and loving their beautiful new princess. Now she going to imagine that everyone loves him, loving their new beautiful. Come to page number 37, Patty. The throne is hard to wheel on the grass, so I get up and pull it to the front yard. Front yard, lawn. Now I will spend every minute on the throne, I say. Who say? Patty Piper says. Now Patty Piper again says, I decided to ride to the princess school. There is a nice step little hill on the grass near the sidewalk beside the street. Maybe it would be fun to ride down it. I sit down and give the throne a good hard push. Plop. The throne dumps. Dumps means throws me out of the sidewalk and lands upside down on top of me. Means the throne, the wheelchair, throws her down and the land looks upside down on the top of me, on the top of the Petty Piper. My knees has a tiny cut on it because we've fallen down, so her knees cut down, wounded. I am glad no one is around to laugh. I wonder if Princess Pooh ever fell when she was learning. Patty Pepper thought. Sometimes Princess Pooh also got down, hmm, thrown down. I put the throne right up and get back on it. Then I ride to the corner. I go down the low place so I can cross the street. When the light turns green, I push the wheel as fast as I can. I make it to the island. Means I make it to the middle of the road, middle of the street, in the middle, but then the little turns red again. But then the light turns red again. Cars and trucks and buses rush by. I cover my face with fright. It is hard to push the wheel, student. It is hard to push the wheel fast and cross the road in one chance, and she stuck in the middle of the road. Finally the traffic stops and the light is green again. I finish crossing the street. I push the throne up and up the low place at the crosswalk side of the road. It is hard to go uphill, but I do it. I wheel down the sidewalk. I have been pushing so hard. I feel like both my arms are broken. Means both the arms are paining by pushing the wheel. Some grown-ups are walking towards me. They look at me and my throne like I do when I am watching a scary movie. Does this happen to Princess Pooh? Patty thought. Some boys are playing on the sidewalk and I will not move out of my way. Why don't you go over me? Boy said. We legs, says one of them. All his friends laugh. All the boys are laughing at her and says, we legs, why you go over me, over the boys? Patty says, I will beat you up. I yell, but they just laugh and run away. I see an ice cream truck on the school playground. Who see? Patty Pepper see an ice cream truck on the school playground. Lots of big kids are crowded around it. I make a shortcut, but by the time I get there, the worst thing in the world has happened. Great big raindrops have started falling over everything. The child squealed and ran away. Squeal mean to make a loud high noise because of pain, fear or enjoyment. Now turn your page 38. The man drives off and I am alone on my wet throne. Means the ice cream truck has also gone away and Patty Piper alone on the throne. The rain comes faster. I think about running home too, but I can't leave the throne out in the rain. So I push harder. When I get back to the baseball field, I can see it is a muddy mess. There are lots of muddy water. The wheels of the throne sink down. They stop turning. My hands are covered in mud. I jump off the throne and my new sandals sink too. My feet go with him. By the time I pull the throne out, I am wetter and colder than I have ever been in my whole life. I, Princess Patty Piper, I am a royal mess. It's a definitely time to quit sitting on the throne. After this incident, the Petty Pepper has a bad experience. She thought she will never sit on the wheelchair again. She thought she is a princess, but she faces the worst experience ever had. Now, the rain stops. I notice Dad standing in our front yard. Mom is walking up the street looking around. I drag the muddy throne across the rest of the field to the sidewalk. Then I cross the street. She moved towards the home. When Mom sees me, she runs and holds out her arms. Dad is right behind her. I didn't mean to mess up the throne. Patty says she don't want to do all this. I'm sorry. I say, Patty say. Throne, says Mom. Oh, the wheelchair. We thought you were lost. You weren't looking for the chair, Patty says. I say means Patty says you weren't look for the chair. Patty, Piper, we were looking for you. Mom hugs me. You shouldn't have taken Penny's chair, means Penelope Piper's chair, but we are so glad you are back. Petty Piper's mom says that we are glad that you are back. Back to whom? Mom washes me and puts me to bed. Mom washes Petty Piper and put her to bed just like she does for Penny, means Princess Pooh or Penelope Piper. I lie there thinking, Pennies, I whisper, are you awake? Huh. Do you like walking better than sitting? Well, she says, who says? Princess Pooh says, walking makes me awfully tired, but so does pushing my wheelchair. I guess I like the wheelchair best because I can do things with my hands while I sit. When I use my crutches, I can't. So Princess Pooh says that I feel delightful if I walk, but it is painful. That is why I always sit on the wheelchair, and because of the crutches my hands gone stuck stiff. Princess Pooh says she always preferred wheelchair. It make her feel independent to do any type of work. Now come to the last paragraph. It's not horrible, says Penny. It takes me places I can't go if I just have my clutches. That, that makes me think some more. I'm sorry. I took your chair, I see. Petty says. That's all right. Just go to sleep now. But I'm, means Petty, wide awake. I lie there, Petty lie there, and wish very hard that my sister will always be able do things that make her happy. I think that my maybe princess isn't a good name for her after all. Maybe it's nicer that she just Penelope Piper and that I am her sister, Patty Piper. Now, in this paragraph, Patty says that she has understood the difficulties attached to the wheelchair. She changes her outlook towards her sister and decides that she is no longer Princess Pooh, but just her sister Penelope Piper. Student, I am going to give you a short summary to understand better. The story is about two sisters, Penelope Penny and Patty Piper. Penny is bound to a wheelchair and her younger sister Patty is jealous of her, thinking that she gets all the advantages and love while Patty has to do everything. Patty refers to Penny as Princess Pooh and the wheelchair as her throne. Patty is terrified when she does not cross the street in the time and it's stuck in the middle of the road as traffic rushes past. People make fun of her and look at her differently as she crosses the road. Just as she reaches the school, it begins to rain. The wheelchair gets stuck in the mud, and when Patty gets off the wheelchair and tries to push it, she also gets her feet stuck in the mud. The rain stops, and as she crosses the field, she sees her parents looking for her. When she goes to them ready to be scolded for the wheelchair, she realized that they are worried about her and her parents worried about her and not for the wheelchair. Now that she has understood the difficulties attached to the wheelchair, she changes her outlook towards her sister and decides that she is no longer Princess Pooh but just her sister Princess Penelope Piper. Student, I hope all of you understand the chapter lesson. Thank you, stay safe and keep learning.